When most people hear Temu, they think of cheap gadgets, low quality, and stuff that breaks in a week. And yeah, a lot of it is exactly that. So we spent hours digging through all of it and pulled out 30 gadgets that are actually useful, practical, and considering the price, honestly a steal. Open Temu right now because these prices can change any minute and we don't want you missing out. And yes, all the links to grab them are waiting for you in the description. Number 30, nightstand with charging station. First up, we have a nightstand that can solve a lot of clutter near your bedside. It comes with a built-in charging station featuring 2 standard plug outlets and 2 USB ports, so you can charge multiple devices at once. This versatile side table fits anywhere, bedside, next to the sofa, or even as a small coffee table. It's highly recommended for you if you're looking for a simple, functional bedside table that keeps your space organized. Number 29, smart coffee maker. Morning coffee is a must in everyone's life, but most coffee makers take up a ton of space and look awkward on the countertop. That's where this 2-in-1 single-serve coffee maker comes in. It's compact, doesn't crowd your space, and lets you brew both K-cup pods and ground coffee with the same machine. You can make anything from a quick cup of coffee to a small Americano or even tea with it. In the end, it's really worth the investment in my opinion. Number 28, multifunctional power strip. It combines a desk lamp, digital clock, and power hub all in one sleek unit. You get multiple outlets, 3 USB ports, and USB-C charging, so you can power phones, tablets, laptops, and more, all from a single spot. It's wall mountable or can sit on your desk, helping you cut down cable clutter while keeping everything charged and organized. Number 27, foot massager. Another useful product if you want to give your feet the ultimate relief. It provides deep kneading and compression with bidirectional massage, helping to ease tension and fatigue. You can adjust the intensity to suit your comfort level, while built-in overheat protection keeps it safe. The device automatically shuts off after 15 minutes. It will make you feel refreshed and rejuvenated after a long day. Number 26, wireless charger. Now we have something which is more than just a charger. This is a versatile all-in-one 3-in-1 wireless charger that combines a Qi certified phone charging pad with RGB color changing night light, wireless speaker, and alarm clock lamp. The mood lighting adds ambient RGB effects and the brightness can be adjusted, while the speaker lets you play audio and the alarm clock keeps you on schedule. There's even a USB port for charging additional devices. It has lighting, sound, timekeeping, and power all in one. Number 25, CounterTop Dishwasher, all-in-one cleaning solution for your homes. It has a 5-liter built-in water tank, so you don't need any plumbing hookup, just add water and plug it in. It offers 5+1 washing programs, including a baby care cycle with high temp cleaning and a dual spray system for thorough washing. There's also an air dry function to help dry dishes after the wash. Overall, I think it's a pretty useful gadget for your house. Number 24, dual purpose sofa bed. Now you can easily convert your space into a guest room with the smooth pull-out bed. Large side compartments keep books and magazines within reach, while the armrest houses a built-in charging hub with USB and Type-C ports to keep your devices powered up. The chaise includes a concealed compartment so you can keep your living area neat and organized. High resilience foam seats and soft back cushions relieve pressure and support your spine, with extra arm cushions for added relaxation. Number 23, meat slicer. This manual slicer makes food prep super easy. No effort needed. It's honestly more satisfying than struggling with a knife. It gives you clean and even cuts every time. If you're slicing frozen meat, veggies, or anything else, this slicer helps you like a pro. If you are tired of the electric bill, it's for you. Number 22, Intelligent Spray Atomizer. This intelligent spray atomizer is more than just a humidifier. It's a stylish, large capacity device that adds moisture to the air and doubles as a diffuser. Its water drop design looks great in any space, if it's your living room or even in hotel and restaurant settings. The fine mist helps make the air feel fresher and more comfortable, and you can use it every day. It's a useful gadget if you want better air quality with a touch of style. Number 21, Stackable Storage Box. It could be really helpful for organizing your stuff. Each tier has a lid to keep clothes, toys, or other items neat and dust-free. It even has wheels so you can move it around easily, and it folds down when you don't need it, doubling as a collapsible bin or trash can. It helps you make the most of your space while keeping everything tidy. Number 20, Desktop Mop. This 3-piece desktop cleaning kit includes a no-wash mop and 2 sponges for easy cleaning. You don't need to rinse constantly, just use the mop and sponges to sweep up dust, crumbs, and spills with minimal effort. You would love to have it around your kitchens and bathrooms. Number 19, Laptop Table. We all love to lie down on the sofa or on the bed while doing work, but you know how hard it is. This mini table solves all that problem. In it, you also get a cup holder and a mobile holder. There's also a storage drawer in case you want to put something there. To make it even cooler, there is also a mini fan and light for a cute touch. Number 18, Smartwatch. The unique detachable design gives you exactly the experience you want. The flap design opens with a light touch, creating a perfect integration of wireless headset and smartwatch. With just one tap, you can remove the headset from the watch and instantly switch to headset mode. Answering calls is simple. Open the watch and take out the earphones to pick up the call without touching your phone. The headset and watch work seamlessly as one device. Number 17, Mirror Scraper. A simple gadget that saves you time and leaves surfaces clean easily. This 3-in-1 glass cleaning tool makes cleaning windows, mirrors, shower doors, and other glass surfaces way easier. It comes with a built-in sprinkler spray so you can mist cleaning solution as you go, a squeegee to wipe water and streaks away, and a scraper to lift stubborn grime. The lightweight PP plastic design feels comfortable in your hand, and trust it will be really useful in your home's chores. Number 16, Mini Powerbank. It may look small, but this mini portable charger packs a punch. It can charge your phone up to 50% in just 30 minutes. With a 5,000 or 10,000 milliampere-hour battery, USB-C support, and dual power modes, it works with pretty much any device. iPhone 16 or 15 series, Android phones, you name it. Lightweight, easy to carry, and rechargeable. It's a super useful gadget to keep your devices powered on the go. Number 15, Car Power Inverter. A must-have device for your car trips. It lets you power laptops and even gaming consoles on the go. Just plug it into your car's lighter and you're good to go. It comes with 2 AC outlets, an 18-watt USB port, and 2 30-watt PD chargers for fast charging. The sleek black design fits nicely into your car's interior, combining practicality with a clean, modern look while delivering solid performance. Number 14, Shoe Dryer. Check out this handy shoe dryer. It's simple and surprisingly effective. Just plug it in, slide your shoes or gloves onto the rods, and it blows warm air to dry them. You can adjust the temperature and timer settings, and it heats up quickly. It works best for average shoe sizes, though really large shoes may not fit completely. It lets you dry shoes, boots, and gloves too. You can lock them too for longer uses too. Number 13, Wireless LED Touchscreen. This portable LED device features a large 3-inch screen that puts multiple functions at your fingertips, including answering calls, making calls, and playing music. Enjoy clear, rich bass and loud, resonant treble for a great listening experience wherever you go. With a built-in 8,000 milliampere-hour battery, it not only lasts long, but can also charge multiple devices at once, including your phone in emergencies, which makes it a handy all-in-one companion for music, calls, and power on the move. Number 12, wireless headphones. These foldable Bluetooth headphones combine comfort and convenience. They feature soft ear pads and a digital display, making them easy to use for extended listening. With volume controls, a condenser microphone, and support for 3.5mm AUX and TF card playback, they work seamlessly with cell phones. Made with stainless steel and tangle-free cables, they're durable and travel-friendly. Number 11, fast charging cable. A jumble of data cables. Why not try this? This 4-in-1 keychain sized data cable is the perfect solution. This is both compact and portable, and it comes with a magnetic attachment so you can easily hang it on your keys or bag. It supports Type-C to Type-C fast charging, keeping your devices powered on the go. With multiple connectors in one small cable, it's ideal for travel, work, or everyday use, eliminating clutter while staying convenient and functional. Number 10, magnetic digital timer. Check out the Warehouse Digital Kitchen Timer. It's got a big, easy-to-read LED display and a magnetic back so you can stick it anywhere. You can use it for countdowns or count-ups, making it perfect for cooking, baking, workouts, studying, or even classroom use. It's super simple to use, great for seniors, and the sleek black design gives it a modern touch. Number 9, electric frother. This handy gadget works great and saves time washing spoons every morning. Just rinse it off, put put it back, and it's ready to use again. It runs on 2 AA batteries. Just insert batteries, press the button, and let the high-speed whisk work its magic for smooth, rich foam and well-mixed drinks every time. Number 8. Bug Zapper. It's really effective at reducing mosquitoes and flies, especially around the patio. Setting it up is super easy. You just plug it in and let it do its job. The LED light is designed to attract bugs efficiently, but it's not too bright or distracting, so it doesn't bother you while you're sitting nearby. Even though it's lightweight, it feels solid and durable, and I've noticed it works just as well in a room as it does outside in the yard. Number 7. Mini Travel Iron. Now we have mini travel clothes, which are handy for keeping your clothes wrinkle-free. It combines a handheld dry iron with a steam function, so you can smooth out creases quickly and easily without needing a full-size ironing board. The rotary handheld design makes it good for travel or small spaces, and the steam option helps soften fabric fibers for better results. Its lightweight, portable build fits neatly into suitcases. Number 6. Jump Starter and Air Pump. This product is something that probably covers anything for roadside situations. It works as a powerful car battery starter, digital tire inflator with a built-in 150 psi air pump, and also doubles as a portable power bank and LED emergency light. With its compact portable design, you can keep it in your trunk or garage for jump starts, topping up tire pressure, charging devices, or lighting your way during nighttime emergencies. Number 5. Alcohol tester. If you love doing parties a lot, this automatic alcohol tester is a must-have. Blow in and it instantly tells you your BAC. The display is easy to read and it's rechargeable, so you're never hunting for batteries. You can just put it in your bag, and trust me, it's a really useful gadget for quickly checking yourself before driving or making decisions after drinking. Number 4. Mist Humidifier. This one looks really cool. It releases a fine, cool mist that helps reduce dry skin, soothe irritated nasal passages, and improve overall air quality without heating the water, so it's safe and gentle for everyday use. The unit runs quietly, so it won't disturb you while you work or sleep, and its compact design makes it easy to place on a desk, nightstand, or countertop. Just fill it with water and let it run to enjoy a more pleasant atmosphere in your room. Number 3. Multifunctional Peeler. This multifunctional peeler makes quick work of fruits and vegetables like potatoes, apples, carrots, and more. It's comfortable to hold, easy to use, and cuts through skins cleanly, so prep is faster and neater. The design also makes cleanup simple. No sticky bits left behind. A handy addition to any kitchen, it saves time and effort too. Number 2. Electrostatic Dust Removal. A simple but super effective tool for picking up pet hair, lint, and dust. Just roll it over clothes, bedding, couches, car seats, any surface with hair or fuzz, and it grabs everything without fuss. It's small, easy to carry, and you don't need sticky sheets or replacements. A handy little gadget to keep things clean fast, especially if you have pets around. Number 1. Mini Electric Chopper. This little electric food chopper is a real kitchen helper. It's compact and wireless, so you can chop garlic, onions, herbs, or even small amounts of meat without the usual mess and effort. Just pop your ingredients in the bowl and let it do its thing. It saves you time and keeps your hands clean. With a USB rechargeable battery and a 100 to 250 milliliters capacity, it's real handy in quick prep jobs. That's all for this video. Let us know in the comment which product you want to buy from Temu. Thanks for watching.